What's going on, everybody? Brian here from Brian's Broadcast. I hope all of you are doing fantastic. I have been really curious to find out what Zaharoff will be offering in 2024. Now, Black Rose or Halfeti Black Rose was much anticipated in the community. Today, I have a lot of questions that need to be answered, and for the first time, I'm going to smell this right here in front of you, first impression, but the questions should be addressed first. Now, of course, I kept seeing how people showed that the Halfeti Black Rose bottle was so beautiful. But here's the thing. I already have of the Immortals beautiful metal plate in the front, and then I have Aurum, Signature Aurum. Both of these are beautiful heavy bottles. These are 4-ounce bottles, fantastic stuff. And at the same time, if you know me personally, I don't do too well with rose fragrances, but I took my chances with this one because it was promised it's not your usual typical rose fragrance. Now, I did sample Signature Rosé, which is a beautiful fragrance, my friends, don't get me wrong, but it's just that there's something, maybe some kind of a sweetness or some powderiness, something coming through that did not make me want to buy this full bottle. I still have this. It's enjoyable. You will love it. I'm pretty sure it's not your grandma or mom and pop's kind of smell. It's very refreshing. It's very nice. The other fragrance, rose fragrance that I really, really want to buy at some point will be, this is the L'Homme à la Rose. This is from MFK. This stuff is good. And the only other fragrance that I really put a dent on is Adonis Awakens from Argos. Now, the million-dollar question is, will these fragrances stand a chance in front of, will these fragrances stand a chance in front of Halfeti Black Rose? Deep red, brand new box, brand new packaging, and from what I can remember, the 4-ounce bottles like this one, this is made in France. This was, I don't know if you can see it here in this camera, in this one, but I'll just open it, go ahead and open it so that I can smell this fragrance right here in front of you guys. Okay, I gotta be really careful because I don't want to ruin this beautiful box. Woo! Alright, here you go, guys. Look at this. So you will be seeing a full presentation of this thing in my full review. I will be doing a giveaway in that full review, so make sure you're subscribed to my channel. So basic stuff in the front, in the back, and on the inside. Tell me. You guys tell me, you be the judge. I mean, there's a reason I was wearing red today. Because, wow. Okay, chrome red material inside. Look at the juice color, man. Oh my god. Woohoo! Wow. I'll hold the 3 bottles because the metal plates started with Of the Immortals. Sorry, I'm gonna take a bit of time, but I hope you do understand. These bottles are pretty big. There you go, guys. Tell me which one's better, which one's nicer. I mean, they're equally beautiful. They're awesome. I love them all. Let's talk about Halfeti Black Rose. So from what I understand and what George said, each of these caps, like even the cap has this beautiful texture to it. So these are all hand painted. And this plate also. This is metal plate. It's not plastic or anything. So just look at the details. Wow. Look at the juice color. My god. And if you're like a first time Zaharoff fragrance user, make sure you twist the cap. It comes right off. I made the mistake way back when I first got started and I was pulling at it. Don't pull at it, just twist, it comes off. So there's the cap. Wow. This is like a matte finish and kind of like a rusty vintage kind of look to it. I love this stuff. Okay, now I have not been looking at the notes here. I just want to go blind. Go in blind. So yeah, there you go. First time spraying this. Wow. Oh my god. This is gorgeous. There's like a sense of darkness to it right away. Not too dark. Very masculine spiciness coming through. I feel some kind of a woodiness working in the background, but at the same time, there's kind of like a cooling sensation to it. Wow. Now, the rose here, unlike all the other fragrances that I showed you, like over here, the rose comes out very different. But let's talk about the Zaharoff one, Signature Rosé. This is like more bright, more playful. Definitely more playful and bright. This one's dark. This is like the big boy stuff. This is like, I don't know, teenager keto beside this one. And then Halfeti Black Rose, the much anticipated release of 2024. It's kind of, yeah, I feel there's some kind of like something like cardamom. There's kind of like a tad bit smokiness to it. Absolutely no jammy rose kind of vibe here. It's phenomenal. Now, I really gotta look into this thing because it's definitely gonna change it. I mean, I can totally feel that on paper it's smelling different. So on skin, over time, it's gonna change a lot. It's kind of like an airiness to it also, but I don't know if it's gonna be different on skin. I don't know if they used oud in this one, but I have a feeling it's kind of like a dry, woody, oud kind of vibe coming through. I'm not sure if they have it. I don't remember because I did look at the notes like when it was being released during the pre-order. Definitely takes you on a journey. Like this is very different. No way this is your typical rose. I mean, you see a rose here. It's not your typical rose. It's very, very different. Very nice. Beautiful. Like I said, gorgeous. It's got a lot of depth. You can tell right away. Like those of you who did not order, please go ahead and get a sample, a vial. I don't know how long it's gonna last because, as per George, we broke the record with Coco Loco. He was sold out within just a couple of days. This one also he sold out, and I think he sold more, way more than he had anticipated. So they ran out completely. Good stuff, really good stuff. So guys, if you are in the market, if you are someone like me who does not like sweet jammy rose or the feminine grandma kind of rose, if you're a person like that and you still want to explore a whole different dimension, this is the way to go. Zaharoff Halfeti Black Rose. My god, I mean, totally masculine. Like, typically, Zaharoff fragrances are more unisex, but this one, I'm not saying that a lady cannot rock this. I know a ton of ladies who just pull off super heavy fragrances, and they can totally rock this. I mean, depends on your taste. Good stuff. Good stuff. Really good stuff. So there is nothing floral about this thing, at least on paper. There's nothing floral about it. It's complex. It's just oozing for attention. My god. My god. So guys, that was my first impression of Halfeti Black Rose from Zaharoff, and basically this was my first purchase of 2024 because I placed the order on 1st January. That's when the floodgates opened. I mean, the pre-sale started. So good luck if you are planning to buy one of these, because I don't know when they will restock, but you should definitely look into this one. Beautiful stuff. I mean, George, my god, you've done it again, man. You've done it again. Totally worth it. I mean, do check out the other reviewers who reviewed the 2-ounce bottle. This is the 4-ounce bottle with the metal plate. I would highly recommend getting the 4-ounce because, man, and the juice color, like Ross said when he was doing the first impression unveiling, it's as if like the rose just bled, like the deep darkness just bled into this bottle. Wow. You'll see better colors and everything when I take pictures, when I post pictures in my Instagram. Go ahead and follow me. The link is in the description below. Wow. And don't forget, I will be doing a giveaway when I do a full review of this fragrance after a couple of days, couple of full wearings. So make sure you stay tuned. It's going to be something simple. It's not going to be another Zaharoff fragrance giveaway, but it's going to be a fragrance giveaway that I purchased with my own money. I'll be doing that giveaway. You don't have to pay a single dime. And the giveaway is going to be for people who reside inside the United States. So it's for people whom I can ship to within the United States. Guys, that was my first impression of Zaharoff Halfeti Black Rose. Let me know in the comments, have you tried it? Are you interested to try it? And name any other good rose fragrances, suggest me those. I will check them out when I can. So until the next one, please take care, stay safe, and all the best.